Just do what you love commercially, and then just let the money be the consequence. If you ask me how nag-start ang automotive business, yes. Nag-start kasi yan, mahilig na ako before kasi nag-buy and sell ako ng sasakyan bago ako mag-umpisa sa automotive services. So, while sa buy and sell, nakaka-try ako ng mga ibang sasakyan, and then mga personal ko sasakyan, gusto ko rin siyempre i-try mga best product. Doon ako mabot kay AMSoil. I've tried all the other brands. So far, in comparison and testing them, pinakamagandang result. At saka ramdam ko yung difference. And then napansin ko, walang seller dito, walang dealer. Nakipag-unahan ako, nakuha ko yung distributorship sa Pampanga. So I've been with AMSoil for 7 years na yata, distributor. 6, maybe 6 years. Naisip ko na it's the right time para magtayo ng medyo pandemic-proof na business. Sakto, hilig ko rin naman, automotive shop. That's how Mech Central started. 2 years ago, doon sa isang branch namin. Ngayon, nakapag-lipat na kami dito within, more than 2 years lang. Kaya thank God kasi marami namang naniwala at saka na-believe sa mga services namin. Lahat na automotive shop dyan, pare-pareho ang service. Okay, pare-pareho kami ng services. They change your oil, they change your tires, they fix your car. We add up the little things. Konting punas dito, extra linis dito. Yung more care. Plus, ang kakaiba sa amin, lahat ng, kung mapansin nyo lahat ng naka-display dito, puro branded. Kami gusto namin lahat ng branded. Yung mga hindi nakikimura, kayo magtipid ng tipiran yung sasakyan nila, yun yung cater namin. Kasi nga yung mga products natin branded, so they last longer. Mas maganda ang quality, mas na-improve yung performance. So nakakatipid ka in the sense na hindi mo tinipid yung sasakyan. Well, umpisa ako before sa mga sasakyan talaga. Ngayon, last year, sipan ko lang magmotor, nakahiram ako ng motor, pinahiram ako ng big bag, nag-enjoy ako, di ako makatulog at yun na nga, nabumili akong sariling motor. Sa akin, automotive ako, so okay lang akong mag-display ng mga sasakyan, pwede akong magluho sa sasakyan. Ganon din sa motor. I turned my passion into business then, tumanggap na rin kami ng motorcycle services instead of dati puro automotive lang. Marami, generally, lahat ng sa automotive services, no? From the basic stuff sa change oil, yan, mga general repairs, kahit overhauling ng engine pwede kami. It depends lang. EGR cleaning, mga maintenance. Basically, expertise namin talaga sa fluids, automotive fluids. So, actually si AMSoil meron na rin lahat niyan. Specifically, kahit motor pa yan, may specific oil siya for Harley, may specific oil siya for BMW, may European oil siya. So, wala na kaming hahanapin pa kung tutusin, nandyan na yan, si AMSoil. Kompleto na, pati suspension fluid with the right specs. Makikita niyo lahat yun. Very fortunate kami na we have been awarded to be their service center. So, yung mga under warranty sa kanila, kami na yung kasa nila. Hindi sila mawawala ng warranty, we will service them. Kami na yung magre-represent sa kanila. The same, kung anong pwedeng kaya, pwedeng overhauling, maintenance, fluid, chain cleaning, yan, spark plug, air filters. Kung may sira, pwede namin repair. May computer scanning din kami for motorcycles, sasakyan. Hopefully, pagpulat sa mga sasakyan, nakakapag-remap na rin kami. Currently, nakakapag-remap kami ng diesels. Ganun na rin sa motor, nag-aaral kami ngayon para makapag-remap. And then, ipon pa ng konting gamit kasi kakalipat lang para makabili ng gamit, mga tools for the mga software para makapag-remap ng mga motor. Focus on doing what you love, and do it well, and then gawin mo ito commercially, and then yun, second na lang yung money. Darating naman, for sure. Just do it, take the risk, kasi pareho din eh. You don't do it, walang mangyayari. You do it, kung hindi man naging successful, you learn from it. So, go for it lang lagi. Don't let anybody stop you kung anong gusto mong gawin, just do it. With a little bit of research, hindi siya very risky. It will be what we call calculated risk. Calculated risk sila. So, syempre, kung calculated yan, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung risk factor. Currently, we are located here at Lasadin Boulevard, just beside Soup Restaurant and ProMaster Car Accessories. We're open from 8 AM till 5 PM, Monday to Sunday, no rest day. So po lahat ng mga may sasakyan, motor, please visit our shop. We'll take good care of your vehicles and your motorcycles. You'll see the difference kung ano ang gawang Mech Central. Ayan.